All right, number 23 and number 24 in the packet. These are on the online. These are labeled 25 and 26, I believe. So this one, these are opposite angles. Opposite angles are congruent in a parallelogram, so that makes these equal to each other. 8x plus 17 equals 12x minus 39. I'm going to subtract 8x from both sides. I get 17 equals 4x minus 39. I'm going to add 39 to both sides. And I believe that ends up being 56. Yeah, 56. Divide by 4. And x equals 14. So now that you have this, you have to look back at what the question is asking. It says angle K, which I know is 8x plus 17 is angle K. I know my x is now 14, so I plug that in there. 8 times 14 plus 17. Pull my calculator out. 8 times 14 is 112 plus 17 is 129. So the missing angle is 129 degrees, and the x was 14. This question, parallelogram, says ED. That's this line right here. I'm going to write it down, 7x minus 13. Then it says BD, which is this longer one here. Notice BD and ED are not equal to each other. I'm going to go ahead and write this one down here. Now, they're not equal to each other, but if I wanted to make them equal to each other, the only way I could do that is if I had two of these, if I had two of these, that would be equal to that whole line. So I'm just going to multiply that one by 2 to make it equal. Now I can work it out. Distribute my 2, 14x minus 26 equals 16x minus 38. Subtract 14x from both sides. I get negative 26 equals 2x minus 38. I'm going to add 38 to both sides. Negative 26 plus 38. Oh, I think it's 12, but I'm second guessing myself for some reason. Negative 26 plus 38. Oh, yeah, 12. Positive 12. 12 equals 2x. X equals 6. Okay, so now that I have my x is 6, it says find BD. I actually have that 16x minus 38. So that 16x minus 38, I now know my x is 6, so I plug that in there. 16 times 6 minus 38. With my calculator, 16 times 6 equals 96 plus 38. 130. Oh, minus 38. I can do that again. 16 times 6. 96 minus 38 is 58. So the missing one that I'm looking for is 58. The x was 6, and that is those two problems.